Hello, fellow learner. Oh, Jesus Christ, man, that scared the shit out of me, that one.
Driving lessons with Benji and Alexei.
Oh, bless her.
Oh no. Okay, so police in Bristol are one of the most selfish and self-entitled drivers you will ever have the pleasure of sharing the road with. Any long-time viewer of my channel will have seen this in the videos. But today's a little bit different. Today is very different because we actually met a nice one. Two nice ones, in fact. So the first part of this video is me trying to teach Alexei to drive and Alexei failing to understand what I'm trying to teach her. But if you want to experience fine policemanship, skip to here. But if you do watch the entire video, then, you know, cool, because ad revenue. So yeah, well done to these two for being normal human beings.
Wait, straight. Did
I park too much on the curb?
It shouldn't be on the curb.
Should I?
Nay.
Then why does everybody park on the curb?
Because no one cares about it and no one enforces it, but you shouldn't park on the curb.
Oh.
Now, woman in pram, under a wheelchair, how are you supposed to get past your wheelchair?
You probably wouldn't now.
You probably wouldn't, exactly. So don't park on the curb.
Okay. So what happens here? Because there's no markings. What happens?
You share, basically. You...
So if a car comes down, I just got to get over as much as I can, and they have to get over as much as I can.
Yeah.
So can I drive in the middle of the road at the time being?
I would.
Because there's no cars coming my way. I'm allowed to do that.
I'll get right over now. I'll get right over. Can you see at that corner? No? Right, so come back over now because we can't see around the corner, right? But to help you, to help everyone else, because if a car was coming around there and you're over this side, or a big truck come around there and you're over this side, yeah? He's not going to see you until he's quite close, yeah?
Yeah.
So here you would stay right over this way, yeah?
Yeah.
Like to the left, and then you would give yourself as much view as you could up there.
Right, okay.
See what I mean? Right? So here, you wouldn't go onto the other side of the road. But sometimes if you've got a straight, you can get over a little bit just to see what's round. Yeah?
Yeah. How can people go 40 along there?
Right. And that says give way if there's anything coming, so just be careful, put it in second. Right, there's a line there somewhere, there should be a line, there's not a line, is there? So, is it clear?
Yeah.
So go.
A good way in front of us is meant to be, yeah?
And that's how you do it. Now, you're already through. Once you've passed that give way sign, you're in the middle of the road, yeah, and you're blocking the road, they have to wait because you've already made your move, you're already committed to going around it, yeah? Okay. When it was clear,
where we going?
Go straight on. That's another give way. So you look up there, there's nothing coming, get over, get right over, yeah? Own that fucking road, that's yours now, yeah? You get right over, you say this is mine because I'm coming through the give way bit, and then you say thank you. And then
was that the right thank you?
And then you move on with your life, yeah? You wouldn't force someone out of the way or to slow down for you. If there's nothing there and you're already in the middle doing your give way bit, yeah, and then they come around the corner flying, they have to wait or crash into you. Either way, you would win. Now that means what?
Go slow.
No, what does that sign mean?
Oh, is our right away.
Okay.
They have to wait.
So get out. Make sure you can see them round there. Yeah, there's nothing there.
Yeah.
So you can get right on the other side of the road, get a good look at what's up there, yeah? Because there's nothing there, you're not affecting anyone.
Right, now this bit is going to
Over, it's ours, yeah? These cars are there, there's nothing coming through these cars, so you get over, you dominate, right? Okay. That's sexy!
That is lush, I like that.
Press the button, please, press the button.
I like that.
They're fucking rare now.
Can I have a car like that?
No. Keep going, keep going. Right, now indicate left. Make sure there's nothing.
Good.
Now what's prick behind doing?
Trying to overtake.
Did you see him?
Yeah. Right up my ass.
Yeah, so I would slow down a little bit. We want to try and get in the back off a bit before we get to that roundabout.
I need to go in second now, don't I?
I would do that as well. Right, is there anything coming from the right?
Nope.
So we're going to go to that one, yeah? Or, yeah, up there.
road ahead closed?
Yeah, that's where we come from. It's fine.
I should be left then.
You should have indicated yes.
Sorry, driver.
It's a
But you're
taxi
being
driver
an
and
ass.
he's being a dickhead to you. You don't need to apologise to him. You watch him fly past and get angry now.
Should have been an ass then, prick. Cunt.
Right, you tell me what you're going to do here.
Brake and clutch down.
Yeah. Right. Now which way? Get to the line because you can't see anything. Get to that line. No. Clutch down, brake.
I was getting
What
to the
gear
line.
are you in?
Oh.
Ah, that's better. Right, now we need to get round that roundabout and go in that shell place there.
Yeah, the road's there.
Right, so same again. Keep speeding up a little bit. You don't want to slow down too much before. Right, now you would look, you'll get in your lane. There's anything
there's
coming?
Nothing coming.
Nothing's still coming, nothing's coming. Still nothing coming.
Nothing.
Now we're going to go, right, this roundabout's ours now. Anyone who comes round and wants to crash into us, that's up to them. So look to your left. Is there anything to the left of us?
Yeah.
Indicate left now. Just go down there, sorry. So when you get on the roundabout, you look to see what's coming up to the left of you. Because eventually you're going to turn off to the left, aren't you, yeah? You're going to exit and turn left. So when you get on it,
Shall I go park by those gates?
park wherever you want. When you get on it, you make sure there's nothing to the left. When you're going round, you make sure there's nothing to the left. Just before you exit, you make sure there's nothing to your left. And when you're actually exiting, make sure no dickhead's trying to overtake you on the left. Yes?
Yeah.
Pop quiz.
But,
Why did you not sit there in traffic with your brake lights on, Alexei?
because you're blinding the person behind you.
Oh, well done.
Ahead.
Stay there. You're going round that way. Stay straight. Drive straight, drive straight, drive straight. There's our lane. Follow that lane.
Talk to back. I'm getting confused with my lanes.
No, you just it's not a very easy lane to follow, but you follow the two lines, yeah. Stay over that way. Stay over that way. Follow right.
Up here?
Yeah, go straight, but don't come over because there's one by the side of us. Second gear. Just go. No, you dickhead.
Who, me?
No, him. He should have stayed behind. Fucking taxi drivers. You were a bit slow, but
We got police behind us now.
alright, he was a bit slow doing it. Third gear. You were a bit slow doing it.
Yeah.
He should have waited behind. You didn't just zoom up on the inside like that, because obviously you had to come over. You were gonna come over, and you had to wait for that dick to do whatever he was gonna do instead of him just waiting an extra couple of seconds for you to do it. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's dickhead taxis for you. Right, so they're green. What do you do when there's a green light? Are you being serious, man? Don't stop here, Keep going. Because we can't stop on the island. So we're going to have to...
Is he pulling me over?
Yeah. So, right, don't steer right yet. Indicate left. Just pull in this car park. Gently brake. Just drive into the car park. Clutch down. And stop. Handbrake on.
I can't believe we're getting pulled over. What have I done?
Handbrake on. You undo your window and talk to the guy. Turn the wipers off.
Oh.
Hiya, you alright?
Hello.
Popping the engine off.
I don't put the engine off.
Just turn the key off. Don't turn it all the way off.
We
That's
just
fine.
stopped because you're going a little bit slow.
You're going like 20. Yeah.
Can you see there's an L plate on the back?
Huh?
We're
L plate.
learners.
You haven't got an L plate on the back.
Here we are. Oh, don't tell me it's come off. Is it come off? Yeah. Oh no.
We thought this time of night that you would drink driving.
Yeah.
You were driving so slowly. But
Oh,
it would have
right.
explained it if you had like the learner plate on. But,
Have you got your licence on you anyway?
Provisional?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Just check both.
I bet you panicked when we
I was like, oh no, what is going on? Is the blue light, is that me or what?
No, I wouldn't have saw
That's
If
alright.
you had L plates on, I wouldn't have stopped you. But
We got married, so I got
Yeah.
at the moment 2 provisionals. So
yeah,
it might
you
be
want
one
to
name or
change,
the
that's fine,
other.
it should still come back anyway.
I've
Like,
brought them
no
both with me just in case anything
Yeah.
happens
No,
like
that's
this.
the right thing to do. Be surprised at how many people don't take the licences out with them.
Oh, I always
Makes our
got
life
it with
an absolute
me.
nightmare.
I'm proper petrified now, because the first time I went out on the road, a copper got right on my butt and had L plates on. I petrified me.
Yeah. Yeah, what I'd say is if you can drive back, because I'd take you.
Yeah, if we didn't know that.
If you're supervising us, so. Yeah, if perhaps you can drive back if you haven't got an L plate on.
When did that fly off there? I've been only going 20 for the last 10 minutes.
Beautiful.
Yeah?
There's that for you. That is cracking.
We'll have to get,
Perfect.
we'll have to tape them on. We'll have to get some
Yeah, just
duct
make
tape
sure
or
you
some
drive back, mate. And
Yeah, don't worry, you
just
will
in
now.
case.
Thanks.
So, actually, I should have asked for his name because they were quite nice, weren't they?
They were lovely.
They were nice people. They weren't all stick their chest out, look at my balls. They were, hello, how are you? They were nice. They were nice.
So luckily, was that recording the whole time then?
That's why I said don't turn it off all the way because you would have turned
Right.
the entire thing off.
Oh, I got petrified though. I can't believe I got pulled over by the police.
What are they saying on Discord then?
I'm mainly chatting to that Johnny,
Yeah.
because there's like Terrence, not Terrence, Mystical Meme, APC, and that Cops UK is just saying I need to
No,
take
next time, if you ever get pulled over, right, just flop your head about like this, stick your arm out the window, go, yes, officer. Oh, you wind them up for a little bit, innit? Would you though? Would you? Please do it, because I could put a camera in. You could just.
Alright, maybe if I
that's
don't get
why,
too panicky.
That's why I put this one in, just for the fun. Because if something did happen, then we've got it, just for the laugh. Yeah, just flop your head about like that. Just stick your arm out the window and go, hey! And just... Did they ask you to turn? And you, how do we do that?
Yeah. They said, can you turn your car off? And I said, how do I do that? And I looked at you. You said, turn it.
You know how to do that. You just make yourself look stupid.
I did. Because I just wasn't thinking. I started to panic a little bit. I'm thinking, what have I done? What did I do wrong?
Yeah, just flop about next time and just act like you're absolutely out of your face.
All right.